So hello everybody, welcome back to a new YouTube video. I know that you might be having a lot of questions. Anshuman, 2025 has gone. Why you haven't been come with new guests? So let me introduce one of my new friend, funniest guy of the room, and host too, Mr. Yash Chopker in the house today.
Okay. Hello everyone, myself Yash. And the kind of introduction is given by Anshuman Mishra. It was not as per the standard of podcast. I thought that he will start some vlogging and all. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Anshuman, buddy.
So funny, so true. By the way, let me brief you about the context that what we're gonna do in this video.
Okay.
So our audience is majority who are more focused, yes, on personality development, kind of communicational improvement,
Okay.
and English spoken thing.
Fine.
Why you're laughing, man?
Hey, you look so funny, Anshuman.
Thank you so much. That's the new thing what I'm trying to inculcate in me in 2026.
For
Don't mind, guys.
inculcate.
Uh,
Okay.
uh-huh.
How much it takes take you to learn this?
Nothing. Just being with you. Enough. By the way,
Inculcate, guys. Inculcate.
there is new word. Please
New
note
word,
it down.
yeah.
Yeah, please note it down. Okay. This is educational content. Huh. By the way, Mr. Yes.
Yes.
Start.
Start
Okay.
with something.
Correct.
Okay.
Have you ever been feared of something?
No.
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 Are you really? You haven't been scared.
No.
With
No one can scare me because I am with Anshuman.
oh, thank you so much. I think your mother can.
Yeah.
Okay.
So funny.
So funny. Trying to be. By the way, 2026 has been come up and already as I introduced Mr. S is with us. So let us start this kind of conversation that is going to be very candid and genuine conversation as we are doing. Oh, I just forgot we do have a cat.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. So Mr. S, let's begin this conversation without
Don't
wasting-
pretend. Don't pretend, Anshuman. Try to become. Okay.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much for giving this. I'll take it by heart.
Okay.
So let's begin. So Mr. Yash,
Okay.
starting from, let's just give you a brief introduction about you on our channel because you are quite new for my audience. People know me, but maybe they don't know you.
Okay.
How do you define yourself?
Hello everyone, myself Yash. I recently graduated in 2025. After that, I came to Bangalore. Now I am currently working as a solution consultant in a product-based company. It is an AI-based firm. So Anshuman and me work in the same department as well as in same ship and same position. So that's all about me. So let's get started.
Except your work, how do you define yourself as an individual? Who you are?
As an individual, I'm a content creator. Okay, I love to create content.
Okay.
I love to write stories. Basically, I write ghazals and that too in Hindi, not much in English. I have not discovered yet. Okay, so I need to work on that. But for now, I can define myself other than my working curriculum as a content creator, as a writer. That's all.
Content creator, that's gonna to be next boom thing, whatever people loves to do that. How
Yes.
does this come to you?
Content creation comes to me because I can say that content creation comes to me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I have not discovered that.
Okay.
So from 11th standard or after completing my 10th, I got my first mobile. Okay, so that was Moto G something. It was second generation.
Mm-hmm.
At that time, it was 3G. So it has nice camera.
Mhm.
So I have that skills to click good pictures.
Mhm.
So that inspires me to get into that content creation and all. And I always like to open up the camera and speak something in front of camera and
Okay.
that to record myself. So that is the one thing
Mhm.
that make me to be in a content creation field.
So what does you learn in this your journey? Like tell me that it's how many time, it's how long it's been to you being as a content creator and what and all things you learned by that.
Okay, so content creation, what content creation has given me? Content creation has given me a job. Basically what I can say.
Mm-hmm.
So let me tell you one story. I graduated in 2025, means in the previous year.
Mm-hmm.
But I was completing my exam. That the last paper was on 26th of May. Then I left my hometown and I went to Pune.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I joined one institute. Okay, I will not mention the name. It's not a promotional video for anything. So after that, just being after 3 or 4 days, I got a job, and that too just because of my confidence, my communication skills, and my previous work on which I have worked.
Okay.
Okay, and my leadership qualities. So this leadership qualities were discovered in myself by the content creation, because before that I was not knowing that I can speak, I can be a leader, I can handle a community, or I can be a mentor for someone. But after creating videos and all, when I overcome my fear of talking in front of camera, okay, if in a single room you are not able to open your camera and you are not able to speak something in front of camera, then how would you be able to speak in front of crowd? Okay, so that was the one thing that I had learned in a content creation journey.
Perfect. It means for him it gives you a personality.
Yeah, it was a game changer for me.
I can see that. He landed a job, guys, so you can also do that.
Yeah.
And the kind of motive I'm having to own this channel is quite being aligned to your personality too, because you are the live example. We can say that, see the Yes, he has done a lot of things, got a job, now doing it on Bangalore just because he know that how to interact with the people. So Mr. Yes, let's be more specific, that if you find someone, if you look yourself and going to in your younger self, and you don't have, because I know that there are many people, they can't do content creation. So first thing, if you can create content, never think about others, go and do that. But second, there are a lot many people who do have this fear of judgment,
Okay.
who do have this fear of camera. So for them, what advice you'll give to be better at the communication, where they should start from?
Okay, so to improve your communication skill, you might find the one video on YouTube whenever you search that the one best practice is speak in front of mirror. You know why it is? Because you are speaking in front of yourself, and that too you are not confident. Okay, so first thing is that it is fundamental to start with yourself. Start loving yourself. Start discovering yourself, because you have the great potential and threshold that you are not aware of it. So first thing, that what I can suggest you to be a good communicator or a good storyteller or good interactable person. First, interact with yourself. First, try to discover that what you love and what you hate. That is the biggest point in this world currently, because the generation is going behind the trends. Like whatever trends you follow, okay, I have to. But do you really like that? Have you questioned yourself for a single time whenever before doing anything? Even if you don't like to wear some Western clothes, okay, or Western culture, you have to not, you don't have to you are not willing to adapt that. But just because of the peer pressure of trending, you do.
Correct.
Okay, so that is the thing, that you are not aware of yourself. You are not living for yourself itself. So how you can influence the people? If you are not having power to create yourself, to be something, okay, so don't try to just get into a community and get adjusted. Be a person that makes some standards, that make its own standard, and follow that. Okay, the community will automatically reach you. You have to not get to community and get adjusted. Okay, it is we can say in that if you start something building, you will get CEOs, CTOs with you. Okay, you will start something very what we can say cringe content or something, then you will get that circle. It's totally depend on you, that how you start.
True. So the first thing and foremost what he mentioned is just exploring yourself. Correct?
Yes.
I know
Self-discovery
is the first important thing, even in terms of communication as well, what he trying to mention. But Mr. Yes, that is quite being debatable topic. Discovering yourself, some people do the discovery of themselves after 40 years, 50 years, because it's not a single task. We sat down, we started doing something, thinking we got something, okay, this is me. No. You will learn from your experience, you will feel something, you'll talk to many more people, and after so many years, you'll get yourself.
Yeah.
So till then, how we can be better at communication? At the first time, you are just suppose yourself 10th pass or 12th pass. You don't have anyone. People are there to just misjudge you if you will speak something in front of them. They won't trying to listen you. So in that circumstances, how someone can build that confidence to talk with someone?
Okay. So to answer this question, I would like to tell something that one experience. You can improve this thing. If you are not a good communicator or not yet discover yourself, just be a cringe. Ultra pro max level cringe. Do the cringe shit in front of anyone. Don't get afraid that what they are thinking and what they will think. Let them think. If you will think what they will think, then what they will do. Okay.
True.
So let them do their job. Just be in yourself. What I can suggest, and have the interaction with the people, random people. If you think like, yeah, this person is good, give him compliment. Nothing is bad in that, but don't give compliment to any random girl. In that case, you may get slapped. So I'm not recommending you that. But if you feels that genuinely some person is doing really great, in order to that you should make him appreciate, or yeah, you are contributing something. So that should be a your step as a good human being. What I can say.
Perfect. Very true. As I was also going to be at the same point, because if you are being feeling to be ashamed and you are being into your comfort zone, what people will think, never ever you can do. Even I'll give my own example. How did I create this channel? Before that, if people know me personally, they would know that this is very introvert guy. First year I went to stage, I was calming. People say that this guy have a lot of confidence, but he doesn't have the T of talent. So that kind of cringe I had been felt, but I feel that was the part of journey. And he has already been mentioned that he must have gone through a bit of journey, and I would compliment him in that way, because I had met a lot of people in Noida, in Allahabad, in Bangalore as well, but he is one of the funniest guy. So what advices he is giving to you is very practical, because I had observed him. So take it very seriously, work on that. If you don't have confidence to talk, just make cringe out of them, try to make people laugh. This is one icebreaker for you. That's how you can begin the conversation, because until unless you break that barrier that okay, people are started taking me seriously now. Correct?
Yes.
Is it what you trying to mention, or I'm trying to?
No.
Correct.
For sure. Yes.
Perfect. So icebreaker is one thing, and second, once you got that confidence, all right, now we can talk. People are taking me seriously, or I'm not feeling, something that what people are thinking about me.
Yes.
That's the point. You are being step number 2. Now you just came to the step number 2. Now, tell me that now people don't have any judgment, fear, and all. How they should begin?
How they should begin. So
because you are very good at storytelling. As I already, those people who don't know, go follow him on Instagram. Tell them your Instagram ID.
Yeah, my ID is Yash Chopker. Just it is my name is there. No 1 2 3 4 I have not added yet. So what I can suggest you is how to get started with the conversation is like you can discover some random question. If you're thinking that someone is there and he's speaking in his regional language, it might be English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, and something. Try to ask question related to that. In that case, he might not get offended. In that case, he might answer you.
Correct.
Because it is a question that is connected to him. Don't ask foolish question. If someone is speaking in Marathi, don't ask him something in English, that too in next level. Because he might not know that. Okay, that may be a case. In that case, he will hesitate something to have a conversation. He feels like no, I'm not that good. How can I have the conversation? So try to get connected with them emotionally, or you will not discover someone like in a first meet. Okay, so that may be a case. So in that case, use common questions like how are you, how they are doing. Hey, myself Yash, I just thought to have some words with you. So you can ask, or it can be just opener with them, like greeting them, good morning, good evening, kind of words. Okay, so this is how you can start a conversation.
Great. I mean, he mentioned really great point again. If you got someone at the point, you can give them compliment. That is the best way. But as already he mentioned, he gave the disclaimer: never do it with random girls. If you're experienced, you can try that too. All right. And if you are hesitant, I think this will come just by practice. You will think I'll go and approach some stranger, do it for the first time, it's gonna to be very well. No, it won't happen. In any situation of your life, that's to take a study or take communication too. If you'll try it for 1, 2, 10, 15 times, it won't go that per your expectation. But if you'll keep on repeating, learning from your experience, probably you would be ending up doing it so better than you had been.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. So to improve this thing, what I can suggest you, just make the list of numbers like from 1 to 10. Just do one thing. Daily talk with one person. Okay. Have have some conversation,
Okay.
not depth. Just what? Okay, in very beginner level, just go for running or just go in park and just greet person. Daily 10% you have to greet good morning, good morning, good morning, and research the response you are getting from a person. You might get one response out of 10, but there is nothing wrong in that. At least you are getting something.
True.
Okay, so that person is completely stranger for you, and that too is responding. That means you have great communication skills. Okay, so this is the starting point. Start with good morning, greeting something. After 5 days, you will see difference that you are not hesitating to have a conversation with someone. And best way to have conversation, as the audience may belong from engineering background or the college students are there, so you can have a conversation with your sections students. Okay, whatever your friends are there. Beyond the friend circle, try to speak. There are a number of sections. There are a number of department. You can cross communicate, and this is the best practice that you can do, because you will not get people to have interaction after once you complete your college. Then there is only one industry, one chair, and one table. That's it.
Oh, greatly put. I believe that this would be the eye opener for those guys who are being into college life, and they already thought this when this college will end it up.
Yeah.
Never wait that time, because once it will go, you will be regretting that I wanted to go back into the college life, experience many more moments. So never waste your time. Just try to talk with many more people in your group if you are feeling hesitant initially, and again expand your circle, go and talk to the many more people. At last, I know that we can talk for more than an hour. We do have multiple kind of mutual interests too. We can communicate on multiple. So I give this chance to audience to decide the topic kind of interest they wanted
To
us to come up with.
Okay, so whatever topic you will mention in comment section, we'll be working on that. We'll come with a very natural conversation on the same topic, and we'll get back in one of the another video. So it's totally depends on you that how you give us chance to come together. Oh, so that's it from my side.
Before into this, I would like to know, Mr. Is your experience that have you ever been come across this kind of
No, it was
event?
it was first time that someone get me into a podcast. So it was totally new experience, and experience was quite good. That I discover some questions, the way of asking questions, basically. Okay, so you are really good at that.
Thank you
So
so
way
much.
of asking question, it's means you're connecting me with that question properly. That is the biggest thing what you can what I feel in this complete session, because whenever you're asking something, so there you're trying to get something out of me.
Correct.
So that should be your motto whenever you're asking something, means and there should be clarity that what I'm asking, what I'm expecting. So whatever he asked, I answered. That answer was related to him, just because he asked me proper question. But what if he was not good at forming the questions? Then like this scenario means this scenario might be somewhat what we can say, it was different.
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably we would be not having this meaningful conversation.
So
True.
that conversation might get a wrong direction.
True.
Okay. So the forming question is the art, and that I would learn from him in upcoming sessions. So
Yeah, me
this
too.
was
Like,
so good.
I would like to end this session with this note that Mysterious, I had already been, shared a lot of good moment with him. And the one thing what I got from him in terms of communication, because I never brought someone who can't teach. I find something in his personality from my audience or the people around me can learn something, is taking, holding the conversation. You might be also experiencing that once he was talking about something, you were totally into the conversation, right? How?
Yeah.
Because the kind of pauses he take. I know that you might not be noticed, but I'm a good observer. I can say that he will take pauses, and that will make you to listen him. So one thing, if I really wanted to adopt from him, even I'm also implementing the things from very long, but I'm not that good at taking pauses. I'm learning, so I would also try to learn those things. So also comment one or two more thing, whatever you learned something new out of this video. We would love to hear this from you as well. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Thank you so much.